Hey, Blue. Chihuahua and a tonic corso. Let me see your eyes, baby. Hey, Blue. Wish I named him Dojo. I don't know. Dojo, come here. Let's see his pretty eyes. Let me see your eyes. Dude. Ooh, he's got pretty eyes.
Damn, so this is why I was saying to y'all, yeah? This is why. You're not going to get an extraordinary dog if you don't put in extraordinary effort.
Huh?
While it may not be feasible for you to
Huh?
Don't film me! Stop filming me! Stop filming me constantly!
I'm not. School away.
Stop it!
I'm doing
Stop
them. Go
filming
away. I'm
me.
not filming you.
Yes, you will
The
film
dress
me.
is so cute.
I'm actually stop. You're not funny.
You're hurting
Stop
me. Don't
it.
touch me.
Stop. I'm not even touching
Hey,
you.
you're hurting me. Go away.
Stop.
Don't put your hands on me, dude. That's illegal. Get
Don't
away.
actually stop filming.
Leave him alone.